In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to confirm your identity on Facebook Marketplace using the new method. Let's dive right in to make sure you get verified smoothly and efficiently. First up, you'll need to navigate over to the Facebook website or open up your Facebook app. Once you're logged in, we're heading over to the Marketplace. You can typically find the Marketplace icon, which looks like a storefront situated on the left-hand side of your Facebook homepage when you're on a desktop. If you're using a mobile device, you might find it either at the top or bottom, depending on your platform. By accessing the marketplace, you're entering the space where you can buy or sell items directly with other Facebook users. Now the next step is to look for the section labeled Selling. This is where all your active listings can be seen. By clicking Selling, you ensure you're in the right place to confirm identity verification for the items you are or will be putting up for sale. After you've entered the selling section, it's time to find the specific product for which you want to confirm your identity. For some users, it might be easier if they already have some items listed, so just click on any of these products. If you don't have any active listings yet, you may not see all the options, so ensure you have something ready first. Once you've clicked on the product, you'll see the option to confirm your identity. This is a crucial step as Facebook uses this process to verify legitimate sellers, thus maintaining a safe buying and selling environment. Clicking it will initiate the identity confirmation process, streamlined for ease and security. Next up, when you hit Next, you will reach the stage where you might be asked to choose a number or add a mobile number. This step involves associating a phone number with your account for verification purposes. Facebook might send a code to your phone to confirm it's really you. If you've already added a number to your Facebook account, you may see it here, or you can choose to add a new one. After choosing or adding a number, hitting continue will move you forward in the process. Facebook will probably send a verification code to your linked mobile number by SMS. Enter this code to complete the identity confirmation. And there you have it. You've successfully confirmed your identity on Facebook Marketplace with the new method. Ensuring that your identity is verified not only helps you be a trusted seller, but also reassures buyers that they are engaging with legitimate vendors. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Facebook Marketplace. Remember, a little attention to detail goes a long way in making your selling experience secure and enjoyable.